Dear Prime Minister Anwar Ibrahim, our beloved PMX, now we hear quite some days back, you have issued instruction for officers, government officers, to reject letters not in bahasa Malaysia. Now, tak payah figure out banyak sangat lah. This is probably pasal you nak memperkasakan bahasa Malaysia. Indeed, we should uphold bahasa Malaysia, itu national language kita. Tapi kenapa kena reject kalau bahasa lain? Kalau tulis dalam English tak boleh. So now all the civil service, the government officers, dapat surat, no matter how important, if it's in English, kena reject, is it? Why can't you impose this rule to GLCs, to pejabat kerajaan, that when they send surat-surat kepada government officers, they have to write in bahasa Malaysia. Why don't you impose that instead? Kalau tak, then kalau katakan dia hantar in English, janganlah sekat urusan. Kalau dia hantar surat penting in English, so you reject, how will it affect kita punya ekonomi, kita punya keselamatan? How? So kena buang surat tu. Janganlah jadi stupid. Jadi what you should do is that, kalau katakan dia tak ikut arahan, then you reprimand. You reprimand and there must be consequences kalau dia tak ikut. Kalau dia dah suruh beritahu kat GLC ataupun badan-badan kerajaan ataupun civil service that you must write letters in BM to pejabat-pejabat kerajaan, kalau tak ikut, you reprimand, you take disciplinary action ke whatever. Tapi janganlah shut down communication. That is silly and that is stupid. You do that, kalau penting dia boleh buang. It also bagi license to the receiving punya office to not act. And therefore, kalau benda berlaku, mereka kata apa? Mereka boleh say, Prime Minister arahkan to reject letter tu. So kita reject, kita tak act on it lah, kita tak baca pun. Kita dapat terus, kita buang shredder. What is the silliness of this? Next thing is that, kalau other office, foreign officers, officers yang tak kena mengenal kerajaan kita kat luar, write to us, what? They have to get a translator to translate into Malay, is it? Is that what we want to do kah? Is that how we enhance the appeal? That's how kita nak invite more FDI dalam country ni. You nak reject letters, orang akan reject kita. Faham tak? Janganlah jadi katak dan tempurung. This is worse than Ismail Sabri. Ismail Sabri nak bagi ucapan kat UN, cakap dalam bahasa Malaysia. Orang kena understand. So last kali, orang bagi dia letter pun dalam bahasa India. Baca, translate sendiri. So if every country start doing that, kena tulis dalam bahasa kebangsaan mereka, then that is the end of world punya communication lah. Perang lah mula dia. So surely PMX, you are a visionary, you want to be a great leader, so be one lah. Tak payahlah buat all kind of silly punya, tak pertimbangkan langsung. Kalau you nak perkasakan BM, I tak kata jangan buat. Perkasakan BM. You boleh perkasakan BM by issuing instructions to all government officers to guna bahasa BM bila mereka tulis surat. But under no circumstance should you allow any office to reject kalau bahasa bukan bahasa Malaysia. English ke apa, terima. Act on it. Are you saying that kita punya officers, kita punya civil service tak patut kena tak faham English? What are we doing? Why are we regressing? What we should do is that they have to respond, tapi they are also responsible to report kepada the relevant authorities yang this particular GLC ataupun badan kerajaan ni tak tulis surat pada badan kerajaan lain in bahasa Malaysia. So any pelanggaran, you make sure dia report, tapi dia must act still even though it is in English. So itu kalau nak perkasakan, that's to the extent that you do. You jangan buat lebih daripada tu dah. You buat lebih daripada tu, orang reject Malaysia. Again, I'm giving you feedback whenever the government buat benda merepek. Sorry lah, I call a spade a spade. If you don't like what I say, tough. Tapi I bagi this advice sincerely. PMX, do the right thing. If you are humble and objective enough, you will see my point. Retract that statement. Betulkan. Impose the requirement for government officers to use bahasa Malaysia in their communication, in their correspondence to other badan kerajaan. Itu saja. Jangan suruh siapa-siapa reject. Assalamualaikum.
If you want to see more content like this, make sure to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you don't miss any new videos.